I got a package, y'all. I got a package out, and I want y'all to unbox it with me. So, this is, they wrapped the hell out of this thing. I mean, 360. I got a device that structures water using vortex funnel technology. And apparently it's the 4th phase of water. Even after you filter your water, you need to structure it so that you can be drinking living water, aka structured water. And it has tons of health benefits that we will get into later. It's just my brain is so scattered and it's hard for me to articulate because I'm so excited. It's pretty lightweight, but nonetheless, wow, it's small. It's small. Okay, so this is, it's supposed to have magnets that so structured water, device for cleaning the memory of water. Operating principle: this device structures water and cleans its memory using a chalice inspired by Victor Schauberger, featuring a circular magnetic matrix. Specifically, it uses a special array of 5mm neodymium magnets arranged in a circular pattern with alternating poles to promote water purification. You place the chalice over a glass using the 2 cross supports. Use the clips to connect the 2 supports and secure the chalice on the glass. Gently pour water from the side reservoir of the chalice to encourage the creation of a vortex. After each use, let the chalice dry by turning it upside down. Notes: the product is made using 3D printing with PLA, a specific polymer compatible with water that does not wear out over time. Do not put the product in the washer and avoid using it with water hotter than 50 degrees Celsius. Remember to dry the product after use. Okay, so I'm gonna put it together and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys see what it looks like and how it works.